Dear students, hope you are fine. Today we will learn how to calculate value of median in case of discrete series. In discrete series, to find out the value of median, we have to follow certain steps, such as we have to write the data in some order, in some sequence, such as in ascending order or in descending order. पहले हमें डेटा को लिखना है, दिखाना है ascending order या descending order में. Ascending or descending order of data information. Second step is to obtain the values, to calculate the values of cumulative frequency from the simple frequency. Second step में हमें cumulative frequency निकालना होगा. CF, in short we write it as CF, cumulative frequency. And in third step we have to apply the formula of median, which is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item. And in case of discrete series, this n, which is total number of observations, total number of items in a given series, in a given data, and this n in case of discrete series, it is equal to sum total of frequencies, summation of frequencies, that is sigma f, where sigma is summation and f is frequency. And we have to find out this obtained value with the help of this formula from the column of cumulative frequency. And on the basis of that value, we can locate the value of median from the values of the given variable. Now we will do some example to calculate the value of median. Suppose the data available is age of persons and the values are 30, 10, 40 and 20. And number of persons falling in these age groups are 4, 2, 6 and 3. Now from this data we have to obtain the value of median. We have to calculate median. Its solution will be, the first step is to write this data in ascending order or in descending order. If you look at this data, it is not given in some order, such as in ascending order or in descending order. First we will write it in the form of ascending order, from lowest to highest value. In the first column, we will write the values of variable age, it can be also denoted by x, and its values are, when we show in ascending order, the lowest one is 10, then 20, 30, and the last is 40, the highest age, equal to 40 years. And its frequency, that is number of persons in our example, in place of number of persons we can write frequency of the variable denoted by small f, frequency of the age equal to 10 years is equal to 2, means there are two persons whose age is equal to 10 years. Similarly, those having age equal to 20 years, they are 3%, the frequency is 3. For 30 it is 4. And the frequency of this 40 is 6, means there are 6 persons whose age is equal to 40 years. And in the last column we have to obtain the values of cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. CF. In short, we can write it as CF. On cumulative frequency, I have already given a lecture how to calculate cumulative frequency from the simple frequency in case of less than method and in case of more than method. Here the first value of cumulative frequency, it will be same as the value of simple frequency, that is 2. Now to this value of 2 we have to add the next simple frequency, the succeeding simple frequency, that is 3. It will be equal to 2 plus 3 will be equal to 5. Cumulative frequency will be 5. Now to this value 5 we have to add the succeeding, the next simple frequency, that is 4. In our example it will be equal to 5 plus 4, that will be equal to 9. And 9 will be added by this simple frequency. 9 plus 6, it will be equal to 15. And the last value of cumulative frequency, it should be equal to sum total of simple frequency. That is n, that is total number of observations. As in case of discrete series, I have told you that it is equal to sum total of simple frequencies, that is sigma f, summation of frequencies. Sigma is summation, f is frequency, and it is equal to 15. Here it is 15, here it is also equal to 15. Now the third step is to apply the formula of median. Formula of median in case of discrete series is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item. It will be equal to size of n, that is sum of frequencies, sum total of frequencies, sigma f, it is equal to 15 plus 1 divided by 2th item. It will be equal to 15 plus 1, it will be equal to 16 divided by 2th item. Divided by 2th item, it will be equal to 8th item. And this value we have to find out in case of cumulative frequency column, in the values of cumulative frequency, CF, that is cumulative frequency. Since we have obtained the value is equal to 8th item, and this 8th item will lie in the cumulative frequency of 9. The 8th item will lie in the cumulative frequency of 9. It means that there are 9 persons whose age lies between 10 to 30 years. And this 8th item, it will lie in the number of 9. And on the basis of this value, we can locate the value of median from the values of variable. This 9 cumulative frequency, it is the value of the variable that is 30 years. Therefore, median is 30 years. This is the value of median. This one. Therefore, we can write the value of median equal to 30 years. Now remember that in case of ascending order, we have calculated the value of median equal to 30 years. Now when we show the same data, same information in descending order, we will get the same value of median equal to 30 years. Now we will show it in the form of descending order. Now we will show it in the form of descending order. And in descending order, the values will be from highest to lowest. The highest age is 40 years. Then 30 will be the next value, 20, and the lowest one is 10 years. This is in descending order. And the frequency of these different values of variable age, those having age equal to 40 years, they are 6 person, that is frequency is equal to 6. Similarly, those having the age equal to 30 years, they are 4 persons, means the frequency of this value is equal to 4. Similarly, those having the age equal to 20 years, they are 3 persons, frequency equal to 3. And the last age, that is equal to 10 years, there are 2 persons, the frequency of this value is equal to 2. And total number of observations, total number of items in given series, that is n equal to sigma f, sum of frequencies, it will be equal to 15. And now we have to calculate, we have to obtain the value of cumulative frequency from this simple frequency. As I told you that the first value of cumulative frequency will be same as simple frequency, it will be equal to 6. Then we will add the successive simple frequency to this value 6. 6 will be added by 4, it will be equal to 10. And this 10, it will be added by 3, equal to 13, and 13 will be added by this next simple frequency, succeeding simple frequency, that is 2, it will be equal to 15. And the last value of cumulative frequency is equal to sum total of simple frequency. Now we will apply the formula of median, which is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item. It will be equal to n is equal to sum total of frequency, which is equal to 15 plus 1 divided by 2th item, and it will be equal to 16 divided by 2th item, and it will be equal to 8th item. This value of 8 we have to find out in the column of in the values of cumulative frequency, CF, cumulative frequency. And this 8, it will lie in the cumulative frequency of 10. Because there are only 6 persons whose age is equal to 40 years. and there are 10 persons who qualify for the age of 30 years, because these 6 persons, they also qualify the age of 30 years because their age is more than 30 years. They also qualify this value. And we have obtained the value of size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item equal to 8, and this 8, it will lie in this number, that is 10. And on the basis of this value of cumulative frequency, we can look at the value of median from the values of variable, and this cumulative frequency equal to 10. It is the cumulative frequency of the variable, which is equal to 30 years. Therefore, median size is equal to 30. Therefore, median value size of median, it is equal to 30 years. That is how we calculate the median value, or we can say the value of median in case of discrete series. I hope you have got it. Thanks.